Welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of school development, so in the last episode, let's go to 3D, and this is what we were able to create in this particular. So we create the stadium, the pitch, sorry, so to occupy that. So when we say we go, we'll come here and see what we've done here. This is it completely. So don't worry yourself about the way this thing form. Get the graphics because of the resting stage. So let me say I want to, I've gotten the form now. You see, you're not seeing the form here. We created the form so you're not seeing it, just like it's hidden. So press here and you come here. Anytime you do that, that's how it hide itself. So you have to bring it back. Except you have to turn it back to. That's why that represents the chapel side of what we are creating. So that's what that aspect. Now let us go and do more of the. Now I say I want to create the net side. So and I will assign that, so there's going to have a normal net for this ball. So let's go on. So for what you go to foundation or level 1. So because of what you want to create, you're going to use go to architecture and use grid to do that. So pick the center grid of this, and what is the name? Grid 9. So you focus on that. Now before then, is another thing you need to do is to create a section. You're going to use section to draw that as well. You click on section on that one and you say go and say go to view. So this is how far, this is the pitch part you are going to, and this is where I want to draw your. Now you know the height of what you are creating. So it's like a 23, that's 2.3 meter should be the height of the goalpost. So but what we do now is that we start the process up front. So how do you do that? You're going to say go to, or you use the body components to create that. So go back to 3D, then you select this and say edit in place. So edit in place. Now you are in the family. So the family will do the needful. So click here and say 2 and say create by sweep. That's what we want to do. So we say by sketch. So you ask a question. So 9 is the grid that we want to use, and BD. So all we just need to focus attention on is the pole. So when you draw the pole, you have to understand the height of what you are doing. So like you can come back down here. You don't need to close it. Just stand. So what you do, calculate the height. So this is going to be 23 because it's going to be high. So what I just need is to carry this up. Remove this first. Carry this. I don't think I'm supposed to start from there. So shift it up for me. Yeah, it's okay. Now you can now carry this one and join it together with what we have. So pick it and drag it to trim it. So this is going to be your goalpost, and the net is going to follow through. So you click finish, then you come to edit profile, which is going to be you can use foundation if you feel like. So just like draw a circle of radius, let's say 50, no, radius 25, but the thickness is not been too big, but let's say radius 30, and press enter. Okay, so what you just need to click finish and it should be done straight up. So when you see it on the 3D, you should have that feeling. So this is the pole, hanging pole for that. So you click here and you can bring it to, let me see, foundation. Is it there? It's not. Go to level 1. Okay, I think it's there. So be able to trace it from here. Now come to move, put it to the side. So this one now you need to have it into copy again, then you put to the sides. Okay, that is one. So what else we need now is that we now look at the, so copy this one. You don't need to draw another one, just copy it at 1, then you say okay, escape, then you just rotate to 90 degree. So as it's being done now, all you just need to do is to edit the sketch part. So it's going to ask you a question, not elevation, any elevation that you know that is okay for you that you can see. Just let us use not elevation to do that. So this is not elevation. So what we just need to do is to destroy this one and draw the line to connect these together. So now this GoPro is too much, 8 meter. Nobody can keep that 8 meter, so we're still going to adjust it. So let's finish it now. Let this one define that. So you can go for the highest go. The only thing that it should be 2.7. 2.7 should be a size of goalpost. 3 meter is too much, or let's just use 3.2, depends. So let's use 3.2 as a finish. So you carry this one now, because there's no way a goalpost can be of that large size. So I encourage you to use check calculator. I didn't check, I just want to model and just move on. So that's just it. So sorry about that. So just move, check calculator, or you can search online and see the details of goalpost. So this is it. So we have it ready here. So this is it for now. Let me quickly select or have the material for it before I move on. So I will say material here. The material I'm going to use is aluminium. So let's use aluminium. Let me maintain the aluminium standard. So that's the goalpost as it is. Now this one is too high for me. I'll have to reduce it to something like 80. So it's supposed to look more parallel, more close to the ground. Now we're not seeing something here again. So that's not an issue, sir. So select this one. So you can reduce this one to something like 70. So it will give that feel. Yes. So everything is coming out a little bit normal. So now we have this in place. We have this button, isn't it? So, and the next thing we need to do now is to now create the net that will flow around this, so that it will have so how do we do the net? How do you go calculate and do whatever you want to do? Depends on the way you want to get your job done. So you can use you can use the method that we use now, and you can change the method, depends on your choice. So which method am I going to use? I'm going to use the extrusion method to do that which I need to do. So go to this place, and I will say, so how am I going to draw that? I will say extrusion. So I'm using that 9 as well. So it's just a modeling, so you should understand what you are doing perfectly. So I'm going to say draw it from here. So it shouldn't be thick at all. 5 meter should be what we need to have. So you can add style, it's your choice. Then you do this on this side. Like this, you can remove this one. Don't need it. Just trim this. So let's turn now. Okay. So you click finish. Now go to 3D. You just justice at the 3D. So here is, now you drag it to this point. Outside the post, let it cover. So let you do the same thing here too. Outside the post, let it cover. Sorry. So drag everything to the whole length. You see that it has covered everything, isn't it? So it's like that. You don't change the material yet. So you can still spread it, like let's say level 1 of copy, sorry. So you go around and make sure that you cover the post. And maybe use rope to hold it. So like that. So it's done that way, right? You can set this one a little bit front. Okay. So now what do? You go to, well, still want to do another work. So now you go to this and say create foil extrusion. So foil extrusion is what we're going to create, and we use the same knife, the knife to do that. Then we follow this pattern entirely. Understand? Can click, then do a little bit to recess. And what is that? I'm going to say, let's just say 50. No, 50 self is too much. Just let's use 5. So 5 should be done. Just let's take it inside first before we now drag it as after we form what we want to form. So understand. So I think it's okay. Everything is in close loop. So go to 3D and then you say click finish. So the foil is created. Understand? But it's not seen. The reason is that it's being preoccupied by something. So you drag this one outside. So it's called the foil out. So you spread this one to this position. Let's say go back here and do that here. So you go here and you spread it out here. So understand? You go here and do the same thing. Okay, now you go back to 3D and see the open space. Can you see it now open? The net part is open and the net is being seen. So you understand now? You can drag this one, go down to enter ground. So it's going to be like that. So after you have done with this one, what you just need to do is to select. Then you go to, now you select the whole extrusion. Then you change the category of, instead of this one duplicate, then you see transparency. You come here and then you choose the appearance library. Then you go to fabric. So from the fabric now you choose the net. So lace. So look around and say, I think the lace will be done. So you go to lace. Where the lace? So that. So you go, yeah, you go to lace and select lace. So from the lace now you increase the transparency from here. So the transparency you toggle it, then you increase it a bit. So I think that will be done. So you'll be able to see through whatever, and you say okay. So that's all. So click finish and the net is hanging. So that's for it in the tutorial way. So after you have done this one, now you select this, you click the model and you select everything. So go to this particular one and then you say mirror. So you may have issue, but don't panic, just mirror it. So if you mirror and you go to 3D, you should be able to see them and they still maintain their quality level. So that's just it, and you may later add adjustments and this one should come down, depends on your choice. So that's how you create the football pitch, and every other thing you are creating now be this place they will display whatever they want to display. So that is that in this particular tutorial. I've created this one. So in the next tutorial we'll focus on the packing and the arrangement of the site. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.